Hey guys, so I've been talking about doing this video for a while now. My skin has vastly improved, and so I'm going to insert a picture of me with my skin not looking so good, and then I will show you one recently. So my skin still has redness and it's not perfect at all, but I have started using a different skincare routine and it has saved me, and my skin is looking so much better. So I am in my mid-30s, and about 2 years ago, my skin just started, I've always had redness, that's just been my skin, and I would have like hormonal breakouts, you know, on a monthly basis, a couple zits or something, but never really bad. And then about 2 years ago, my skin just, I guess I developed adult acne. And my nose, my cheeks, around my lips, my chin, for some reason my forehead got away from that, and I don't have any problems there. But the rest of my face just, and some of it was like cystic acne, some of it was just really painful and large, and it couldn't be like extracted or anything. And it hurt, and it was just terrible. And I've always been a makeup wearer, but I've also always been the type of person that would be fine leaving the house without a full face of makeup. And once this happened, I couldn't be like that anymore. I was so embarrassed about how my skin looked. So I tried a couple of random, like, separate products, and I just couldn't find anything that worked. So I wanted to share with you what I have been using. And again, my skin isn't perfect, but I know a couple of other people who use this and have had great luck. So what I do now is I use micellar water to remove my makeup every single night, which is hard to remember sometimes, but I do it. I even have a 3-month-old and I'm still remembering. So I use like a cotton bud and the micellar water and wipe all my makeup off of my entire face. Not just my eye makeup, all of my skin makeup. Okay, so that's step number one. Then I wash my face. And so this is and I'll insert a picture. This is the Equate Beauty. So it's supposed to be like the generic version of Proactive. Okay, so I'm not trying to, like, you know, this isn't sponsored, nobody's paying me or giving me this, I bought this from Walmart. But anyways, it's supposed to be like a generic version of Proactive. I've never tried Proactive. I just wanted an affordable skincare routine that would help me with my breakouts. So anyways, there's a purifying cleanser. So I wash my face with this. I don't know how. Do you ever watch those commercials where people wash their faces and they like splash water in their face? I just use a washcloth. Whatever. So I use this. I do not do it on my forehead because my forehead is not breaking out. And I did do it one day. I did this whole routine for my forehead and my skin started to flake. So it really does work and helps to dry out the skin. So if your skin is already dry, this would not be a good idea. Maybe you already knew that. I'm just telling you. So I do not use it on my forehead because it doesn't need it. So anyways, purifying cleanser. So I cleanse, scrub a little bit, use a washcloth, wipe it off. Then the toner. Same thing. Use a cotton bud. Refreshing, soothing toner all over. And then lastly, the lotion. So I do know some people whose skin is not as bad as mine was, and they said the lotion was too drying for them, so they just did the cleanser and the toner, skipped the lotion, or only used the lotion like once a week. I use the lotion once a day. I do everything else twice a day. So I cleanse my skin and I use the toner twice a day, but I only use the lotion at night. Now, it does contain peroxide, which means that this can and will stain some washcloths, hand towels, pillowcases, things like that, in my personal experience. So I'm just sharing that with you. It doesn't do it to everything, but some things it has, like, sort of bleached them. But anyways, lotion. The kit I bought also came with a mask. I lost it, so I haven't used it, so I can't really speak to the mask. But supposedly it's something that you can use weekly to help dry up your skin and help with your acne. But anyways, my skin, this is with makeup on, but if you've seen me, I'll try to find a picture of me with makeup on when my skin wasn't good, and you can't cover up that texture You know, like you can cover up redness pretty well, but when you have texture issues, foundation and concealer just can't cover that up. You can still see it a little bit, and that's how it was. So multiple people have commented on how my skin looks so much better now. It feels so much better. I feel better because I can go out in public now without a ton of makeup on, and I feel normal. I feel okay. I don't feel embarrassed if I run into someone. Anyways, so this is my go-to. Again, I do it morning and night. I only use the lotion at night, though, because I think it might be a little too drying too often, but I would definitely try the whole thing. So I've been using it now for 2 months. I noticed a difference in a week or two. Definitely. Just less breakouts, and the ones that I had were just starting to chill out. So I'm so happy, and it's so affordable. I believe it was 20 bucks. I'll double check and I'll put it on the screen. I believe it was 20 bucks. And again, oh, so I've been using it for 2 months, and I think about halfway done. So, and I've been using it super consistently. So I've been using it for 2 months, and I would say I have skipped maybe 3 times. This is counting morning and night for 2 months. Literally, I've skipped it like 3 times ever. So I really, really think it works, and I'm really happy with it. So I just wanted to share that in case you were like me, and I didn't have acne as a kid, so I really was just like, I literally let it ride for like 2 years, and I was just like, oh, it's going to get better on its own. It'll fix itself. No, it didn't. It didn't. And I didn't want to pay a fortune, even though I do have health insurance, to go to a dermatologist. Pick this up at Walmart. Works amazing. So give this a try if you have difficulty with your skin, and yeah, you want something affordable, easy to get, all that. So I hope that this helps someone. So thank you guys so much. Hey guys, I am here with a gorgeous little girl. She is half asleep. I'm surprised she didn't wake up from the blinding light I just shined on her. Anyways, we just woke up, brushed our teeth. She ate. So I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys and do a little bit of makeup. Okay, so it has been a rough night, but there is some good news. First of all, I got a dress at TJ Maxx that I actually like. Second of all, when I went to get the dress, I forgot to turn my straightener off, and it didn't burn the house down. So I